Hey Liz, I'm glad I could catch you for a minute. My name is Daisy, and I currently work with your company as a registered behavior technician. With the organization's goal being the enrichment of others' lives amongst disability and trauma, I also personally have passion for helping others that extends beyond the typical implementation of good practice. I know I could bring value to the team as a board certified assistant behavior analyst because not only have I mastered implementing these treatment plans, but I could use my knowledge to create them as a BCABA. I have experience with implementing behavior treatment plans and have noticed opportunities to expand my ways of thinking, and I've been inspired to invest in a greater impact to our clients. I have a BA in social and criminal justice, and I often use this knowledge to understand the adolescents that participate in the center because of their traumas, familial backgrounds, and how this reality may affect them. I also am currently pursuing an MA in psychology to increase my knowledge of what resources are available to understand others and should graduate within the next year. I'm hoping you are willing to have an official sit down to discuss how I could take the next steps within the company to apply my knowledge and expertise to benefit our clients and take steps to further my career. I really appreciate you taking the time to listen.